first graders. Today we're going to take a look at one more tool that might help you add numbers. We've looked at place value pictures and the hundreds chart. Today we're going to look at a new tool called an open number line. And it's not like every other number line that you've seen. This one, if you notice, it has no numbers yet. And that's because we can make it look however we need to solve the problem that you're working on. Let's take a look. The first problem that we're going to solve is 61 plus 5. We need to find the sum of 61 and 5. A number line starting at 0 wouldn't help us very much on this, would it? Because 61 would be so far up that number line that the numbers would be really small and close together. On an open number line, we can make it start at any number we want. We can make it start at 61 if we want. Put 61 right at the very beginning of our number line because that's what we need. And to add 5 to 61, well, all we need to do is make 5 hops on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the point on the number line where we would end. Well, how do we figure out what number that is? We can simply count on. If we start at 61, this hop would be 62. This one would be 63, 64, 65, 66. 61 plus 5 is 66. Well, that seemed pretty easy, didn't it? Well, what happens, though, if we have something like 73 plus 12? Making 12 hops on the number line would be, well, a lot. But think about what you know about place value. And let's see if we can break it down into fewer hops than 12. Well, I know that we can start our number line at 73. And we need to count on 12 more. What do you know about the number 12? That's right, it's got 1 10 and 2 ones. So I wonder if we can make a hop of 10 and then 2 more hops of 1 more. That would put us here on the number line. Let's figure out what number that is. 73 plus 10 more is, 83. And 83 and 1 more is 84. So 84 and 1 more is 85. 73 plus 12 is 85. Let's see if I can write that a little bit better. 85. That wasn't so bad, was it? Let's try this one. 24 plus 44. We need to figure out what the sum of 24 and 44 is. Okay, well, I see the number 24 first in that number sentence. But don't forget what you know about addition. That's right, you can add numbers in any order and you'll still get the same answer. So that means I can actually start at 44 on my open number line. And I would add on 24 more. Think about what you know about 24. That's right, it's got 2 10s and 4 1s. So if I did 2 hops of 10, and then 4 hops of 1, let's see if I can figure out where we land. Okay, 44 plus 10 more is, that's right, 54. 54 plus 10 more is 64. And now we need to count on by ones. 65, 66, 67, 68. 68. So that means that 24 plus 44 is 68. Okay, friends, I'm going to give you one to try on your own, and I want to see what you can do to solve this problem. The problem that I'd like you to solve is 34 plus 43. Please find the sum of 34 and 43. Pause the video so you can draw your open number line. Okay, let's see. I'm going to start at 43. Right, because that's the bigger number. And I know that I can add numbers in any order and still get the same answer. So that means from 43, I'm going to add on 34 more. What do you know about 34? That's right, it's got 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 big hops of 10, and it's got 4 little hops of 1. Oh, I almost fell off the number line. Okay, let's see where we landed. 43 plus 10 more is 53. That's right, we're going to count by tens. 53, 63, and one more hop of 10 is 73. We started at 43 and we hopped to 53 and then hopped to 63 and hopped to 73. Now we need to count on by ones. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. 77. 34 plus 43 is 77. If you had started your open number line with, with 34 and counted on 43 more, you still should have landed at 77 because no matter which order you add the numbers in, you'll still get the same answer. Your hops would look a little different. You would have had 4 hops of 10 and 3 hops of 1. Let's do it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4 hops of 10 and 1, 2, 3 hops of 1. Okay, let's try it. Counting by tens, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 75, 76, 77. We got the same answer both ways. So today, my friends, you're going to have the opportunity to practice solving problems using an open number line. Now, if you don't have an open number line at home, that's okay. You don't need one. You can simply draw your own. And to do that, all you need to do is draw a line and put arrows at the end. And there it is. You can do that on any piece of paper. Just draw a line, put arrows at the end, and you have yourself an open number line. You can do that in any notebook or on any piece of paper. Have fun!